Alright, here's my latest Halloween project for the coming 2015 Halloween year. I've got my rim here that I made out of great stuff and chiseled it with a knife to resemble coals, black paint, dry brushed gray paint on it. I got Christmas special warm white flickering Christmas lights stuffed up in there in these bottles, different size plastic bottles that were cut in half. They were positioned around this archway thing. Tuck the foam up under there, all hot glued to a plastic poster board. Here's my cauldron, plastic cauldron that I just decorated with put a nice fancy paint job on it. It sits on there nicely. And here it is in action at dusk. Nice flickering lights. Now keep in mind I'm going to have a witch behind this, and there's going to be fog pumped into the back of it. Fog is going to spew out the top. And here it is at nighttime with a purple light shining on it. Kind of eerie. So it turned out pretty good. Pretty happy with it.